Hello everyone. Now for the next drawing we make a ship. Now as you can see, these are the steering wheels of the ship, and we move on to make the body of the ship. You can also see that there is a fish in the sea, and we may go on to make the upper part of the ship where you can see windows, and then we also have the chimney, and then we go on to make a crab, which is another aquatic animal which is found near the sea in the beaches. And you can see that there is the scenery near the sea with the sun and the clouds, and all that's left to do now is to color it. And we have colored the clouds with a light shade of blue, and we colored the sea of course with the color blue, and you have to do it properly and cover the entire sea so that it looks appropriate and nice and presentable. Then we have used darker shades of blue for the sea also, and for the droplets also we have used a darker shade of blue. And as you can see, for the landscape we have used the color orange, and for the sand in the beach also we have used the orange color, and we have covered it with a dark orange shade. And then for the sun, because it is a summer day, it is a reddish orange color. And for the ship we have used a mustard yellow color, and we have colored the ship, the anchor of the ship, with a purple color, and the steering wheels with pink and purple to make it look more good. And for the body of the ship we have used a grey color, and the fish has also been colored. Now we color it beautifully to make it look very beautiful, and the crab has also been colored, and we are all done. Now moving on to the next, we have an ice cream, and not just any usual ice cream. This ice cream also has a house in it. And as you can see, we have made the house, and we have made the windows and the door to the house, and we also add other things like leaves and other leaves and sticks associated with the house. And as you can see, it is all ready. Now all that's left to do is just color the ice cream. And for the cream on the ice cream we have used a yellow color, and as you can see, we color it as shown in the video, and you can do the same, or you can even use another color according to your own like. Now for the cone, of course, we use the color brown. As you can see, we have left some part for shading, for which we will be using another color like we had shown in the previous videos. Now you can see that we have used orange color for the shading part so that it looks more defined. Now for the leaves we have used some parts yellow, and we will be using other colors like green for the parts that we had left before. Now we have to color it properly. After covering the leaves, you have to see that you also add the color dark green for more beautiful defining. Now for the other parts, we have used the shades of yellow, pink and purple, and for the cones we have also used yellow and purple color, and also blue and pink color. And now we finally color the house, and we do the roof of the house with red, orange and yellow, and also the body of the house with skin color. And then we also add just some shadings, and we also color the windows with the blue color and the door with the brown color, and we're all ready, we're all done.